Welcome student. This is second part of a letter to God. Now what happened in second part? We have seen the in first part the night was very sorrowful because all work done for nothing. There is no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. Why? Because his his farm is destroyed by the hailstone. God, he thought that God cheated him because he request God for a shower and he used hailstone. But in the heart, but in the but in the heart of all we live in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. He was living on a hill, a solitary hill. His house was solitary, and that's why there is there is no hope, any hope for the help, but only hope is from the God. He thought that God will help him. There is no other people who can help his family. Don't be so upset. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. This is a great faith on the God. This line shows that the great faith in the God, because they say that don't be so upset, इतना भी उदास मत हो जाओ. इवन दो दिस सीम लाइक ए टोटल लॉस. आपको लगता है कि ये टोटल लॉस है, पूरा लॉस है, लेकिन रिमेंबर वी आर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ द गॉड एंड दैट्स वाई ही टेक द केयर ऑफ हिज चिल्ड्रन एंड सो नो वन डाइज ऑफ हंगर. ही डो he do not allow does not allow to sleep hungry any child. This is a faith about God. This indicate the faith in God. That's what they say. No one dies of hunger. Huh? That's what they say. No one dies of hunger. वो कहते हैं, वो कह रहे थे कि नहीं, कुछ भी हो जाए, लेकिन दुनिया में कोई भी लड़का, भगवान का लड़का, कभी भूखा नहीं सोता है. ऑल ऑल थ्रू द नाइट लेंचो थॉट ओनली ऑफ हिज वन होप, द हेल्प फ्रॉम द गॉड. ही वॉज a strong believer of the God, and that's why whole night he was thinking about the God. He was thinking about the help from the God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. उसके eyes were fruitful, hopeful, whose eyes as had been instructed, उनके आइज बता रहे थे, सी एवरीथिंग, वो सब कुछ देख रहे थे, इवन व्हाट इज डीप इन वंस कॉन्शियस, एकादे के दिल में क्या है, ये सब उसके आइज बता रहे थे और देख भी रहे थे. नहीं, गॉड विल हेल्प देम. लेंचो वाज एन ऑक्स ऑफ ए मैन, बिकॉज वाई लेंचो वाज एन ऑक्स of a man working like animal in his field. He worked faithfully in the field. He was working just like a ox, just like a ox, and he was very, very faithful to his work and his field. He was he had worked in the field, and that's why he had lot of faith with the field on the field and on the God. But still he knew how to write. He was now decided to write a letter to a God. He knew how to write. The following Sunday at a daybreak he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. Now the next day was Sunday. He knew how to write. The following संडे, आने वाले संडे में एट द डे ब्रेक, जो डे ब्रेक हुआ सवेरे सवेरे, ही बिगेन टू राइट ए लेटर ही हिमसेल्फ वुड कैरी टू टाउन एंड प्लेस इन द मेल. ही वेंट टू द टाउन एंड प्लेस इन द मेल. इट वॉज नथिंग लेस दैन ए लेटर टू गॉड. वो था एक लेटर टू द गॉड. इट वॉज ए लेटर टू द गॉड. God he wrote. He wrote the first word, the God. If you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. He wrote in the letter. This is the content of the letter. He wrote, if you don't help me, my family एंड आई विल गो हंग्री दिस ईयर. यदि आपने मुझे मदद नहीं की तो मैं और मेरी फैमिली पूरी हंग्री रहेगी इस साल. आई नीड 100 पेसो ऑर्डर टू सो माई फील्ड अगेन. और मैं कितनी ज़रूरत है, मुझे कितनी ज़रूरत है, ये 100 पेसो. पेसो मीन्स क्या होता है, तो ये पेसो मीन्स ये हमारा जैसा रुपीज़ है वैसा क्या है, उनका पेसो है. क्यों चाहते उसको पेसो? इन ऑर्डर टू सो माई फील्ड अगेन, बिकॉज ही हैडन मनी टू सो हिज फील्ड अगेन, टू लीव अंटिल द क्रॉप्स कम. ही वांट टू मेंटेन हिज फैमिली अंटिल द नेक्स्ट सीजन, बिकॉज द हेलस्टॉर्म डिस्ट्रॉय हिज field. Because hailstorm which is created by the God destroy the field. He only request for only small shower, but God used hailstorm. He wrote to God on an envelope, and he again wrote address only to God on the envelope, because no one knows the address of the God. Put the letter inside, and still trouble went to town. और क्या हो गया, वो पत्र मेल बॉक्स में डाल दिया, और ऐसे ट्रबल करते करते वेंट टू द टाउन. एट द पोस्ट ऑफिस ही प्लेस स्टैम्प. पोस्ट ऑफिस में गया, स्टैम्प उसके ऊपर स्टैम्प चिपकाया ऑन द लेटर एंड ड्रॉप इनटू द मेल बॉक्स, और बाद में उसको मेल बॉक्स में डाल दिया गया. One of the employee who was postman, one of the employee in the post office, it was he was a postman and also helped at a post office. One of the employee who was a postman and also helped at the post office, उसकी हेल्प जो जिसने की है वो पोस्टमैन था. Went to his boss laughing heartily and show him the letter to God. और बाद में वही पत्र लेके वो अपने बॉस के पास चला गया. laughing heartily and show him the letter to God, और बहुत दिल से दिल खोल के वो हंस रहा था, और उसने अपने बॉस को बताया ये लेटर है टू द गॉड के नाम से. नेवर इन हिज कैरियर as a postman had known that address. In his career, throughout in his career, he never see such address. He had known that address. He was not aware of this address, because no one write letter to God. The postmaster, fat, amiable. He was a fat man, but he was very good, amiable person. He was good man. He was good fellow. Also broke out laughing. He also laughed, but almost immediately he turned serious. But after some time he becomes serious. Why he becomes serious? Because he first he first firstly he laughed, but he becomes serious because he thought the sentiment of the Lencho. He thought the sentiment of the writer of the letter, and that's why he becomes serious. He thought that we should not laugh at this letter. Tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of a man who wrote this letter." क्या फेथ है ये, उसने सैल्यूट की वो आदमी की फेथ की जिसने वो लेटर लिखा, स्टार्टिंग अप ए करस्पॉन्डेंस विथ गॉड, और जिसने ये करस्पॉन्डेंस विथ गॉड के लिए एक लेटर लिखा, उसके उसकी फेथ की उसने कद्र की ऑफिसर ने. सो इन ऑर्डर नॉट टू शेक द राइटर्स फेथ इन गॉड, so in order to not to shake the writer's faith in God, writer's faith means who? The Lencho's faith, because Lencho was very Lencho has a deep faith in the God, and he does not want to shake the faith. The postmaster came up with an idea. Postmaster have an idea and answer the letter. To answer the letter, he wants to give the answer to the letter. He thought that though this address is not aware, this address is unknown, and that's why they decided to answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer he needed something more than goodwill. Now he thought about the goodwill. He thought that he will console the writer. But when they opened the letter, the content was different. In answer, there may be goodwill may be useful, ink and paper may be useful. Beside this, there is something written in the letter. But he stuck to his resolution. Still, he stuck to his resolution. He decided to give answer to the letter. He asked for money from his employee. He collect the money from his colleagues. He himself gave a part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for the act of charity. He he collect the money on the act of charity to help the Lencho. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 peso. It was not possible for them to gather together the 100 peso. 100 peso was a big amount. It was not so small amount, and that's why it was not possible for them to collect the 100 peso. So he was able to send a farmer only little more than half. They are able to collect just little more than half. He put the money in envelope and addressed to Lencho with its letter. और उसने वो क्या किया, पैसे डाल दिए वो अपने लेटर में, और एड्रेस लिखा लेंचो का, कंटेनिंग ओनली सिंगल वर्ड सिग्नेचर एज ए गॉड. और लेटर में उसने कुछ नहीं लिखा, सिर्फ फ्रॉम गॉड सिग्नेचर की कि लेटर दिस लेटर इज रिटन बाय दी गॉड. इस तरह से दुनिया में दुनिया में चैरिटी भी होती है। दो पीपल थॉट दैट नो द पीपल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑलवेज चीटेड, the poor people are always cheated by the rich people. They thought that, but still the charity is in the world. फिर भी चैरिटी दुनिया में होती है, और इस तरह की उन्होंने कलेक्ट करके नेम इन द नेम ऑफ गॉड दे कलेक्ट मनी फॉर द लेंचो।